What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a fast wireless charger that was sent out to me by this company. So a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. So this is the Ainope fast wireless charger, 10-watt wireless charging pad compatible with your Galaxy S9, S8, your Note 9, and your Note 8. So wireless charging stand compatible with your iPhones as well, the iPhone XS Max, the XS, the XR, the 8, and more. So this comes with the 3.0 adapter included. It's ultra thin and anti-slip. So you can pick this up on Amazon.com. I'll leave the link in the description for $19.99. So let's take a look at some of the features and details of this, and then we'll get into the box and check it out. So this features 7.5 watt charging mode. So this mode is the 7.5 watt charger is 40% faster than other normal wireless chargers. Now with the 7.5 watt, you can use this with your iPhone XS Max, all your iPhones pretty much. And then the 10 watt charging mode, it'll be good for your Samsung devices, as you see there. Also, this has advanced safety protection, and that's for stuff like your temperature control, your foreign object detection, overcharging protection, and things of that nature. Like I said, the link will be in the description. You guys can go over and check out more of these features and details. Also, this will work with your, this is case and sleep friendly. So that means this will work with your cases on it, and then the light will dim down to, so it won't keep you awake at night while you're sleeping. Okay, so let's get into the box, guys. Check it out, see what's all included. So here's the packaging: Moon Shadow wireless charger, fast charging. There's the rest of it there. I'm not going to read all of that. Ainope. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. But anyway, let's get into the box, guys. So here's the charger. Let's get that out, set it to the side, see what's else in here. So you do get your quick charge 3.0 brick here. And then I saw something on the bottom. So you get your cord that plugs into your brick, which is micro USB to type A. And then here's your charging pad itself. So very small, as you can see, very thin. We do get a user's manual here, in case you need to learn how to use a wireless charger. And then here's the pad. Does have a little company branding right there. And at the bottom, it does have a ring, so when it won't slide on you. And that's pretty much all you can say on the charger. I'm going to go ahead, plug it in, and then we'll check it out. Plugged in, and here it is. You just plug it into the back right there. It does have a little light around here, the front part of it right here, that lights up when you put your device on it. So I'm going to drop the Note 9 on here. And there it is. As you can see, it's charging. And there's the little white light right there on the bottom of it. And I do have my Note 9 in the case, so no problem with the charging. There's a light, as you can see, it went off. So there it is. So pretty much that's it, guys. It'll work with cases. This is the only phone I have around me right now, so definitely will work with a case on it. Let that light go off again. So there it is. All right, guys. This link for this product will be below. Catch you guys in the next video.